Welcome everyone to thevaidya.com. Joining with us today, Dr. Pradmodita Apoche. Dr. Pradmodita is a renowned Ayurvedic physician from Kerala who specialized in emotional intelligence, cognitive behavioral therapy, Reiki, hypnotherapy, yoga, and stress management. Welcome, Dr. Pradmodita.
Thank you.
Today we are discussing about ghee, a common milk product in our kitchen. Ghee is a clarified form of butter originated in Indian continent. It is a common ingredient in Indian traditional cooking as well as in Ayurveda. So what is the significance of ghee in Ayurveda, doctor?
As per Ayurveda, ghee is considered as one among the 4 types of fat recommended for human consumption. And cow's ghee is considered to be the best among that. And this is having sweet taste as well as cold potency, which pacifies both Vata dosha as well as Pitta dosha. And when this ghee is medicated with herbs, it also helps in pacifying Kapha dosha. So in a way, it helps to tackle all these doshic imbalances.
So what is the traditional method of making ghee and what is its significance?
Traditionally, the milk is heated and then it is converted to curd, and it is undergoing a process known as fermentation. And then from this curd, it is churned and then butter is obtained. And this butter is then heated to get the ghee. So here there are many processes going on. And due to this, it becomes much lighter to digest as well as it is less kapha aggravating in nature than compared to other methods of preparation of ghee.
Okay, so what are the benefits of this ghee?
So when we are consuming ghee in proper quantity and after rectifying our digestive fire, it will really help in improving our digestion. And the digestion is the key for health. So it helps not only for digestion, it also helps in improving our brain functions. It has got an impact on central nervous system. It improves intelligence, concentration, and memory power. It is also good for our vision. It is aphrodisiac in nature. So it improves virility as well as fertility. And in a way, when we are comparing or when we are combining ghee with different herbs, it has got an n number of benefits in it.
So what is the right time to take the ghee?
Coming to the timing, actually it is said that from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. it is considered as a pitta kala. And this ghee is basically known for pacifying pitta. So we can say that when we are taking lunch, we can combine ghee and tea. It would be a right combination. In other ways, in some medicated conditions and all, it is advised to give during a empty stomach or like bedtime. So there is no correct time. It all depends upon different conditions.
Okay, while talking about time, I want to know what are the situations that we should control the intake of ghee?
When it is correct that ghee helps in improving digestion, but when we are in an undigested state or when we say there is ama, then it is not advised to give ghee. First, this digestion should be corrected, then only we are supposed to give ghee. Or when there is a kapha aggravating condition, then also we should take cautions while administering ghee.
So how ghee is helpful with the digestion?
As I said, when we are having low digestive fire or digestive capacity is low, then if you are administering ghee, it will help to improve the digestion. At the same time, if it is already in an undigested manner, if there is ama is present, then we are giving ghee, it would hamper the situation.
So is there any dietary restrictions while using ghee?
There's a combination of ghee and honey. It is good, but if ghee and honey is in the same proportion, equal quantity of honey as well as ghee for a longer period of time is incompatible in nature. So while taking it, make sure about the ratio. It should not be equal.
So how can we tackle the discomforts caused by the excess intake of ghee?
Or when we are facing excessive discomfort due to excessive intake of ghee, it is always welcome to delay the next meal till we feel comfortable. And in between, it is better to have sip warm water or water which is processed with tricatu, so that it get digested and we feel at ease.
So how can we use ghee as a brain tonic?
In Ayurveda, there are many herbs which act as a brain tonic in nature or which has got an impact on central nervous system. And ghee is also having this effect, as ghee helps to cross this blood-brain barrier. So the combination of ghee as well as these herbs gives a wonderful impact on our cognitive aspects, on our memory, in all our brain development.
Okay, so what are the common brain tonics with ghee as the base?
Panchakavyas are used like Saraswagritam is there, Brahmigritam is there. In all these dietary fatty acid present in these products will help in developing the neurophysical aspect, or it helps in the cognitive behavior, or in all those related to our brain, and has got a wonderful impact, and it is widely used.
That is great. Thank you so much for your time and commitment, doctor.
Thank you.
And this is Vaidya.com. Please keep watching our channel and subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.